In this video, I will be showing you how to create Genmojis with Chatgpt. Let's get started. I start on the Google homepage, click into the search bar, and type Chatgpt before pressing enter. From the search results, I look down the page, find the official Chatgpt link from OpenAI, and click it to load the main interface. Once the page loads, I click into the message field at the bottom where it says, Ask Anything. I type a detailed prompt requesting a sheet of 12 original Genmoji-style emojis featuring cute, everyday expressions and objects, specifically listing things like a laughing avocado, a sleepy coffee cup, a happy laptop, a crying cloud, a cool cat, a heart-shaped pizza, a dancing cactus, a smiling moon, a shocked strawberry, a thumbs-up robot, a celebrating cupcake, and a waving ghost. I also specify an Apple Genmoji-inspired 3D style with soft gradients, rounded shapes, and a clean white background. After typing, I click the black up arrow button to send the prompt. Chatgpt immediately begins working on the request, showing a Creating Image status window with a loading matrix background. The title at the top updates to reflect the Genmoji emoji design request. As it generates, the status bar shifts through different phrases, changing to Sketching it out, then making the first draft, followed by setting the scene, polishing details, finishing up, and adding final touches, before concluding with one last tweak. Once finished, the complete grid of 12 3D-styled emojis appears on the clean white background. I click on the image grid to open it in a larger viewer. At the top right of this viewer, I click the Aspect Ratio button to open a drop-down menu of options. From this list, I select the Widescreen 16:9 option. Chatgpt processes this edit request, briefly flashing an Analyzing Image status followed by another image creation sequence that cycles back through Sketching it out, making the first draft, setting the scene, polishing details, finishing up, adding final touches, and one last tweak. The updated widescreen version of the emoji collection displays in the window. I click on this new widescreen image grid to maximize it, inspect the layout, and then click the download arrow icon in the top right corner. A notification pop-up confirms the PNG image file is saved and ready. Finally, I click the downloaded file link to open it in my system's default photo viewer, where I zoom in and pan around to check the high-resolution quality of each individual 3D character, from the laughing avocado down to the waving ghost. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.